The 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a crew cab pickup truck with a 5 3/4 foot bed, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 19 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features traction control, premium wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include OnStar, StabiliTrak, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, XM radio, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.